is hide and seek. This is marble. This is hoop. This is hopscotch. This is volleyball. This is basketball. This is jump rope. This is bowling. This is table tennis. This is chess. This is football. How fast can tornado travel? Tornado can travel to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes are formed when warm air and cool air. Why are they called twisters? Because they are rotating. Describe why tornado is dangerous. Tornado is dangerous because they travel at speed up to 300 miles per hour. The columns of cool air can pick up car and
etc. etc.
etc.